There's a place on Earth where lightning strikes almost every single night, for up to 10 hours. It happens in Venezuela over Lake Maracaibo. Locals call it the Relámpago del Catatumbo, the Catatumbo Lightning. Every night, clouds gather over the lake and create one of the most consistent lightning storms on Earth. The secret? Warm winds from the Caribbean meet cool air from the Andes Mountains. Boom! The clash of temperatures triggers up to 280 lightning strikes per hour. It's so bright, sailors once used it as a natural lighthouse, visible over 400 kilometers away. Nature's power is unreal. Subscribe for more mind-blowing world facts like this.